How to make money on TikTok. Making money on TikTok is possible, but it's important to understand that success on the platform often requires a combination of creativity, consistency, and strategy. Here are some ways people can potentially make money on TikTok. Build a following. The first step is to grow your TikTok followers. Post engaging content regularly, use trending hashtags, and collaborate with other users to increase your visibility and reach a larger audience. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. Once you have a substantial following, you can collaborate with brands and companies for sponsored content. They may pay you to create and promote videos featuring their products or services. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services in your videos and include affiliate links in your video description or bio. When your followers make a purchase through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. Live streaming. TikTok has a live streaming feature that allows you to interact with your audience in real time. Viewers can send you virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money. This is more common in regions where the TikTok Live feature is monetized. Merchandise sales. If you have a strong personal brand on TikTok, you can create and sell merchandise related to your content. This can include clothing, accessories, or other products featuring your logo or catchphrases. Consulting and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular niche or area, you can offer consulting or coaching services to your followers. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could offer online fitness coaching or personalized workout plans. Content licensing. Some TikTok users have had their videos licensed for use in commercials, television shows, or other media. This can be a lucrative opportunity if your content is unique and of high quality. TikTok Creator Fund. In some regions, TikTok offers a creator fund that allows eligible creators to earn money based on the number of views and engagement their videos receive. You can check if this program is available in your area and meet the eligibility criteria to join. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi allow creators to receive donations or monthly subscriptions from their fans in exchange for exclusive content or perks. Events and meetups. As your popularity grows, you can organize events, workshops, or meetups for your fans, charging a fee for participation. Teaching and tutorials. If you have a skill or knowledge that others are interested in, you can create tutorials or online courses and sell them to your TikTok audience. Cross-promotion. Collaborate with other TikTok creators or social media influencers to cross-promote each other's content and potentially reach new audiences. Remember that building a successful TikTok presence takes time and effort. It's essential to maintain authenticity and engage with your audience genuinely. Additionally, TikTok's policies and features may change over time, so staying informed about platform updates and opportunities is crucial for maximizing your earning potential.